Azure Disk Storage is Microsoft's block storage solution designed specifically for virtual machines. It provides persistent, high-performance storage that remains available even when your virtual machine is stopped or restarted. Think of it as a virtual hard drive attached to your cloud-based computer. Azure Disk Storage operates at the block level, meaning it stores data in fixed-size blocks, similar to traditional hard drives. This makes it ideal for running operating systems and databases. It's persistent, so your data stays intact even if the VM shuts down. Azure Disk Storage is also optimized for mission-critical workloads, offering high performance with low latency and high throughput for demanding applications. Azure offers 4 main disk types to match different performance and cost requirements. UltraDisk provides the highest performance for the most intensive workloads like large databases and transaction-heavy applications. Premium SSD version 2 offers customizable performance at a lower cost than UltraDisk. Premium SSD is designed for production workloads that require consistently low latency, making it great for enterprise applications. Standard SSD is the most cost-effective option, suitable for web servers and development or test environments where performance requirements are moderate. Azure uses 2 categories of disks for virtual machines. The OS disk contains the operating system and is automatically attached when you create a VM. It has a maximum capacity of 4 terabytes. Data disks are optional and used to store application data, databases, and files. They can be attached or detached as needed and support much larger sizes, up to 64 terabytes per disk. You can attach multiple data disks to a single VM to scale your storage capacity. Azure Disk Storage includes several enterprise-grade features. Durability is assured with 99.999% availability, achieved through triple replication of your data across multiple storage nodes. Snapshots allow you to create point-in-time backups for recovery purposes without impacting performance. All data is encrypted both at rest and in transit, ensuring security and compliance. Scalability is built in, allowing you to resize disks without experiencing downtime, so your storage can grow with your application needs. Creating a managed disk using the Azure command line interface is straightforward. You use the asDisk_create command, specifying the resource group where the disk will be created, a name for your disk, the size in gigabytes, and the SKU which determines the disk type. In this example, we're creating a 128 gigabyte disk using premium locally redundant storage. This command provisions the disk and makes it available for attachment to a virtual machine. Once you've created a disk, you need to attach it to a virtual machine to use it. The asVMDiskAttach command handles this operation. You specify the resource group, the name of the virtual machine, and the name of the disk you want to attach. After running this command, the disk becomes available to the VM's operating system, where you can format it and mount it like any other disk. Azure provides 2 main redundancy options for disk storage. Locally redundant storage, or LRS, maintains 3 copies of your data within a single data center. This protects against hardware failures, but not data center-level failures. Zone Redundant Storage, or ZRS, replicates your data synchronously across 3 availability zones in the same region. This provides higher availability by protecting against entire zone failures, making it ideal for critical workloads that require maximum uptime. Following best practices ensures optimal performance and reliability. Always choose your disk type based on your specific workload requirements, balancing performance needs with cost. Enable disk encryption for any sensitive data to maintain security and meet compliance requirements. Take regular snapshots to create backup points that enable quick recovery from data loss or corruption. Monitor disk performance metrics regularly using Azure Monitor to identify bottlenecks, optimize usage, and ensure your storage meets application demands. Azure Disk Storage provides the persistent block storage foundation your virtual machines need to operate reliably and efficiently. By understanding the different disk types, features, and best practices, you can design storage solutions that meet your application requirements while optimizing for performance and cost. This makes Azure Disk Storage an essential component of any cloud infrastructure running on Azure.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.